Excuse me. Good afternoon, everybody, or morning, or night, depending where you are. Today we're back on a little bit of War Thunder, cause I feel like I didn't give the f16 the justice it deserved. I kind of messed up last video, but today we're gonna get it right. But before we start, I just want to say I have a new subscriber goal of 50 subs. We are super close. We're like 35 subscribers, I'm pretty sure. So if you enjoy my video, if you enjoy my content, just go down below and subscribe. It's totally free and you can always change your mind. If you enjoy my content even further, we have a Discord, we have a Twitch. Go check both those out. I'll put the links in the description, but the links are also in my bio. And yeah, with that being said, let's get into the first game. Alright, and in the first game you're on I don't know how to say that, I'm not good about it. It seems like it's someone of a down too, I'm not sure. It doesn't matter because we're gonna go crazy. Hope everyone's day has been good, decent. Everyone's having a nice day. Whew. I got a test tomorrow. I got 2 tests tomorrow actually. I got a biology test. Test. So, I mean, I've passed so far. I've passed all my driver's ed classes, so I'm not that many this year. Gotta make sure I read it. We did the study guide today, so tomorrow I'll go for it's been in there. Be good. Oh, that's right. I think earlier this month they had added Pacific Rim, like the movie, to Netflix. And dude, that, like, when I saw that, bro, oh my god, it made my day. I can't lie. The day, I think it was for the Friday that after it got added onto Netflix, I watched it, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a huge Pacific Rim fanatic. I can't lie. That movie is just chef's kiss, bro. It's so beautiful. And for the time the movie came out, bro, the CGI is pretty good compared to what Marvel or what movies are doing now. Sheesh. And then we're not even gonna begin to talk about Pacific Rim Uprising, because that game,
critical speed.
That movie was a mess. But Pacific Rim the Netflix show, or the animated show on Netflix, is actually pretty good. I really like that anime. I've watched it a good couple times. I might rewatch it though, talking about it. I've been watching Transformers Prime though, recently. I think I'm like season 2, episode. I think I'm on the one where the Decepticons had just infiltrated or found out where the Autobots base is and now they're attacking it. Which, I mean, well done. Like, what are you doing, you bot? Over G. Like, stop talking to me. Who are you, game? Come on, someone come fight me. Oh, shit. Speaking of fighting. Oh my god, I gotta be careful not to like run my aircraft into a piece of debris again.
Pull up. Over G. Roll left. Pull up. Over G. Pull up. Over G. Over G. Roll right. Pull up. Pull up. Over G. Pull up. Pull up. Roll right. Pull up. Pull up.
I mean, I guess. Alright guys, why are we all going for this one offense? The fact he's still alive is kind of shocking to me. I know he's going to deal with that game. Later, kid. Oh my god, 2K? 20K? Bro's talking about some really, yes, bro. It took 3 you idiots to kill one guy. Like, are you stupid? Yes, bro.
Pull up.
You guys are terrible.
Pull up.
I don't even know what they're talking about. I think they're talking about a completely different thing than what I'm talking about. I'm probably just yapping for real.
Pull up.
Where did that J7D go? You know he just dropped off radar.
Pull up. Over G. Over G.
Is that him? No, that's not. That's a parachute. Guys, I'm starting to hallucinate. This is not good. Alright guys, can we close the distance on this guy? I'm closing the distance. I'm actually gaining really fast on him.
Roll left. Over G. Over G.
Now I'm gonna get closer if I shoot this 9-0. I know the 9-0 is pretty good range, but still. I should give it that extra guidance. Yeah. That's why I wanted to get closer, because I knew he was gonna go for the flares that close. No, F4U. Oh, that's going for him. Yep, he's dead. What?
Over G. Pull up.
We love that.
Pull up. Pull up. Over G.
F16 is a beast, bro. I'm telling you. Sorry, I'm cracking my knuckles real quick. All right, we're starting off pretty good. Oh my god! Yo! Not on this team. Nah, let me stop. All right, next game. We're on I don't know how this game is gonna go. If this game goes poorly, I think it's crazy. I mean, the only thing that the early version of this is 9Ls has some type of range to it. It doesn't really matter. You can realistically shoot in rare aspect 20 or not. I would 20 kilometers. We can shoot them like from rare aspect about 20.50 kilometers behind the target, and they'll get there pretty easily. Not easily, but if they don't drop flares and they're not paying attention, and they're pushing out the Brenner, that 9L is going to do some damage. The 9L also has seems to react very fast, including very close. So, but once I get that F16C and I get those 9Ms, those boys is bro. The 9Ms are so OP. I don't even care what anybody says, bro. The people who say the 9Ms aren't OP, they're lying to you, bro. And then whatever the all aspect missiles the flankers get, bro, those missiles are just too good, bro. And then I get an ad, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, nah. 9Ls OP. Or not 9Ls. What's that shit called? Oh my god, I didn't even notice that missile got close so fast. That shit hit the thing, At 14, I'm gonna violate you, kid. Wait, pause. That's not what I meant. I mean, that's what I meant, but I didn't mean it in that. Never mind. Oh, god dang it, stupid. Whatever. He ripped his wing. You goofball. Oh no, he got shot by my teammate. Alright, turn that off. Please get it out of my ear. Getting even one finish kill is worth it. Lol. Is this kid an AI? You at 14. Oh, he died. Boom! I don't know what's wrong with my Warframe audio. I have it to where like if I want, that must have disappeared. I have it to where like if I want the like if I want to hear the Thunder Boom audio or not, yeah, Thunder Boom audio. Am I stupid? Might never doing bits. That's not going for me, right? He's gonna shoot another one though, and that one's definitely I'm gonna watch my 6 o'clock. Maybe 21 is more of a problem than anything. Yep. I'm always paying attention. Can't catch me lacking. No matter what I'm doing, bro, I'm always gonna be paying attention. You can't catch me slipping. No, don't block my teammate. That's not gonna hit, but worth a try. Still got 3 more. That one's going for him. No, come on. Why'd you go for the flares last time? Oh, even for the flares last second, that's kind of annoying. Where is this guy? Was it really good? I like lost him for a second because I blacked out. Jeez. 29 RTB. Oh, this wasn't a complete loss, I think. What, 2 kills?
Our victory is here.
And he died. Nice. GG. Hey, I'll take it back. God, that guy got ran through. When I bigger, I gotta get taller. I'm gonna listen to me some quarters. Let's see. Dude, stop giving me the jack of all trades, bro. I don't use it. I don't even know what it does, bro. Can't even lie to you. Bands on me, baby. Hold on, wait. Alright, bands on me, baby. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Don't glizzy on me, baby. Hold on, wait. Hold on. Don't side with that money. Hold on, wait. Hey, pick a race. Hey. Alright, next game. I'm over here singing this stuff, bro. We're back here on Afghan. And have some just a little bit. Small Afghan again. We love that. I don't like playing big Afghan. Like I feel like Afghanistan should only be a small. I feel like also I feel like there shouldn't be any small. It just doesn't make sense to have such a big map. Considering how like fast the gameplay is, you know what I mean? You know, you're just gonna be. I mean, like. Like, I feel like, you know what I mean? Probably don't know what I mean, but... Hold on, I gotta get a thumbnail for today.
Attention, Atlantic Grid Square! Attention to the designated grid zone! Attention to the map.
I try to show you just who I was. Why am I singing Drake? What is going on? Chat, am I turning into a level boy? No, let me stop.
Pull up. Pull up. Over G.
I don't know. Will that work? Maybe? We'll try that one. I just took 2 just to see. Which one I like more?
Pull up.
Oh wow, where did that missile come from? Is that for me?
Pull up. Over G. Pull up.
I'm like, you really shot at me? Baby. Yeah, I left off both my teammates in for that. All my teammates in for that guy. I'm not doing that shit. That he's already dead. Baby, that it was on the way. I'm gonna keep pushing. Pop it. Ooh. I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep. Yeah, I'm in too deep. Yeah. Is that one for me?
Pull up.
I think it lost guidance once the guy died.
Excellent.
Oh, come on. Don't. Dude, you guys got. The whole enemy team got clapped, bro. I didn't even get to do anything yet.
Pull up.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Pull up.
Like, he really fired up on me.
Pull up. Over G. Lock.
No flares.
Lock. Over G. Over G. Roll left. Right. Over G. Lock.
Oh, not my
Lock.
teammate.
Lock. Over G. Pull up. Over G. Over G. Left. Pull up. Over G. Over G. Right. Over G.
Yeah, front aspect.
Pull up.
It just depends on front aspect. You're not always going to hit front aspect, of course, because they jump flares. First thing is going to see is a hotter heat source, so it's just going to go straight for the flares.
Lock.
But rear aspect, he's dead.
Pull up.
And he's not paying attention either.
Left. Over G.
Come on. Hit this a 3K.
Left. Over G. Lock.
I'm going to get that high aspect shot. Go for the flares, yep.
Lock.
It's fine with me. I still have 2 more. Oh, I got it. Hey, I'll gun you if I have to. I don't
Lock.
care. I just want my teammates to get this kill.
Pull up.
Yeah, that's going for the flares again. Alright.
Pull up.
Kind of spray to get him to do that. No, come on, please don't take my kill. You down bad. There are angry words I cannot say. Very, very angry words. What, all 3 games we got consistent kills? 2 kills every game? I mean, I'm fine with that. I don't know. Not much. I wish I would have got that kill though, because I kind of, it's going to take me for a while.
Over G.
Alright, just for RTB. I don't know where this last guy is. Am I even going towards it? Bro, the f16 is just so enjoyable, bro. the airfield.
Over G.
My sense of direction is not good. Yeah, I was gonna say it's right here, right? Maybe.
Altitude.
Watch this,
Pull up.
guys. I have yet
Over G.
to
Over
fail
G.
landing this thing.
Air brake on. AOA. AOA.
Attack the enemy!
Gear down. Gear down. Gear down. Gear down. Air brake on. Air brake on.
Yep, there we go. So sexy, bruh.
Air brake on.
Can someone kill this guy, bruh? We don't want the video
Air
dragging
brake
on, bruh.
on.
Beautiful.
Air brake on.
I can see inside my dude's neck, bruh. That's not good. Alright. Nice. GG's. Hey, but that was a pretty... I've been having pretty consistent games. 2 kills each game, too. We love that. This cockpit is really cool, too. Hey. Alright. But, yeah, that's it. We kind of... Hey, I can't lie. We was going crazy in F16. Hey. I mean, hey, 2 kills is not a lot, but at top tier, think about it, bro. Most of the time, people, like, bro, you're only going to really get 2 kills. And the only time you're not is if you're playing something like the Flanker, which has all those missiles. So, yeah. But, if you guys enjoyed... Excuse me, sorry. If you guys enjoyed, go down below, subscribe. You know, join the Discord, check out the Twitch, all that stuff. You know, those links will be in the description. And I hope everyone has a good rest of their night or day. And with that being said, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.